Pharma Flash, a quick look at this week's most read news stories.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Pharma Flash. The Pharma Flash is a weekly rundown of the top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. I'm Mike Auerbach. I'm the editor-in-chief of both publications, and I will be counting down the top 5 most read news articles. At number 5, Eli Lilly has chosen ABEC to construct a single-use biopharm manufacturing facility in Limerick, Ireland. This new facility is set to significantly expand Lilly's production capacity and capabilities. The decision to utilize ABEC's expertise in single-use tech reflects the growing trend in the biopharm industry towards more flexible and cost-efficient manufacturing processes. The partnership aims to enhance Lilly's ability to meet the increasing demand for biopharm products and advances the development of critical medications. Organon and Samsung Bioepis announced that HADLIMA, a biosimilar referencing Humira, is now available to patients in the United States. HADLIMA is available in both citrate-free, high concentration, and citrate-containing low concentration formulations to provide patients with seamless continuity of care. HADLIMA is a tumor necrosis factor blocker indicated for appropriate patients with rheumatoid arthritis, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and plaque psoriasis. At number 3, the FDA approved Opal tablet for non-prescription use to prevent pregnancy. This marks the first daily oral contraceptive approved for use in the U.S. without a prescription. This progestin-only oral contraceptive pill for consumers is available for purchase without a prescription at drugstores, convenience stores, grocery stores, and online. The FDA granted the approval to Laboratoire HRA Pharma, which was recently acquired by Perrigo Company. At number 2, GSK announced that the FDA granted a Fast-Track designation for its Neisseria gonorrhea investigational vaccine, or NGG. The vaccine candidate is currently in an ongoing phase 2 trial and aims to demonstrate proof of concept by assessing the efficiency of the vaccine in healthy adults aged 18 to 50 who are considered at risk. And finally, number 1, the FDA granted approval to BioMarin's Roctavian, the first ever gene therapy aimed at treating severe hemophilia A in adults. Hemophilia A is a rare genetic bleeding disorder that occurs due to a mutation on the gene which produces factor VIII, or FVII, a protein that enables blood to clot. Roctavian is a one-time gene therapy product administered as a single dose by intravenous infusion. Roctavian consists of a viral vector carrying a gene for clotting factor VIII. The gene is expressed in the liver to increase blood levels of F8 and reduce the risk of uncontrolled bleeding. So that's it, the top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. I hope you enjoyed this quick update and rundown of the top 5 most read news articles. Tune in next week for our next Pharma Flash.